Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. A learned man who is actually in the spiritual platform, he knows that here is a dog and here is a learned Brahmin. By their karma, they have got different dress only. But within the Brahmin, within the dog, the same spirit soul is there. So, our material platform, we distinguish, I am Indian, you are Frenchman, he is Englishman, he is American, he is cat, he is dog. This is the vision of the material platform. In the spiritual platform, we can see that every living entity is part and parcel of God, as it is confirmed in the Bhagavad-gita, Mamaivangsha Jiva Bhuta. Every living entity, it doesn't matter what he is. There are 8,400,000 species of forms, but all of them, they are covered only by different dresses. Just like you Frenchman, you may be differently dressed, an Englishman may be differently dressed, an Indian may be differently dressed, but dress is not very important. The man within the dress, he is important. Similarly, this body is not very important thing. Antava prime deha nitta sukta saririna. This body is perishable. But the soul within the body, he is not perishable. Therefore, this human form of life is meant for cultivating the knowledge of the non-perishable. Unfortunately, our science, philosophy, school, college, university, they are simply concerned with the perishable, not with the imperishable. This Krishna consciousness movement is meant for taking into account of the non-perishable soul. It is the movement of the soul, not the movement as political movement, social movement, or religious movement. They are pertaining to the perishable body, but Krishna consciousness movement is pertaining to the imperishable soul. Therefore, this Sankirtan movement, simply by chanting this Hare Krishna mantra, your heart will be gradually cleansed so that you can come to the spiritual platform. Just like here in this moment, we have got students from all countries of the world, all religions of the world, but they no more think of the particular type of religion or nation or creed or color. No. All of them think as part and parcel of Krishna. When we come to that platform and when we engage ourselves in that positional occupation, then we are liberated. So, this movement is very important movement. It is not, of course, possible to give you all details within a few minutes, but if you are interested, you can kindly contact with us either by correspondence or by reading our literature or by personal contact. Anyway, your life will be sublime. We have not such distinction that this is India, this is England, this is France, this is Africa. We think every living entity, not only human being, even animals, birds, beasts, trees, aquatics, insects, reptiles, all part and parcel of God. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,